Hey everyone, Patrick here with Armor Tool, and you're probably sitting there wondering why there's so much blue on an Armor bench. Well, today we're going to be giving your Kreg K4 jig the Armor advantage with one simple upgrade, and it's super easy to install. So stay tuned to find out how. This is the Armor Tool Jig Bracket. By installing this on your K4 jig, you can use the Armor Auto Adjust inline T-track clamps to get a wider range of clamping pressures and quicker readjustments to material thickness. So let's get started. First, remove the stock clamp from your K4 jig by unscrewing these 4 screws. Next, line your bracket over the 4 holes, then use the same screws to reattach it. Once attached securely, take the Armor inline T-track and slide it into the bracket, then tighten. It's that easy. For only $4.99, you've given your K4 jig varying pressures and easy readjustments. To see the Armor Jig Bracket in action, check out our next video by following the link. And as always, arm your shop with Armor Tools.